Okay, so first step on the way to a faster algorithm is to come up with a divide and conquer algorithm for multiplying two relatively large numbers. So we're going to write the numbers down as arrays, right? Or if you want digits, so b0, b1 all the way to bn minus 1. This will be the first number. Then we have the second number, right? If we don't need all the digits, we'll just pick those digits to be 0. And for reasons that would become a bit strange, it would be also convenient to think about those numbers, polynomials. So to this end, we are going to do the following. We're going to take the number b, right, which has b0, b1, right, all the way to bn over 2, bn over 2 plus 1 over 2bn minus 1, right? We have the number, and we are breaking it in the middle. We just break the array into two pieces. They're going to be the left number and the right number. Those two numbers now have n over 2 digits. Assume n is the power of 2, right? Just to simplify the discussion. And then, so now we broke the number into those two numbers, bl and br. And the idea is that now I can write b as just bl times 10 to the n over 2 plus br, right? Okay, now instead of writing 10 to the n over 2 here, I can just write it as a variable x. So now I have a polynomial bx, which is blx plus br. This is the polynomial bx. And similarly, we define a polynomial cx. Why I'm using polynomials would become hopefully clear in a bit. I agree that it's a bit strange. Okay, so here's a concrete example how we do that, right? We multiply two numbers, so we write them down as this polynomial times this polynomial. Here, x is equal to 100, it's the shift by 2 digits, and you just open up this polynomial, and you get the right answer, right? And here below is the same thing with the real number filled in, which, you know, we don't really should care about too much about it. Okay, so now the important thing here, the important thing about this is that BL and BR and CL and CR, those numbers that we defined, they are half the size, right? So if you look on the multiplication,